Hi viewers, this is Dr. Alok Rath working as a senior consultant in the Department of General Surgery and Surgical Gastroenterology at CARE Hospitals, Banjara Hills. So my basic training is in the field of laparoscopic and bariatric surgery. Now laparoscopic surgery has made forays into each and every sphere. So today I will be discussing a little about the use of laparoscopic surgery in the conditions where previously it was almost the domain of open surgery. Bariatric surgery would not have been possible the way it is done in today's day without the advent of laparoscopic surgery. The reason being, bariatric patients are huge. The domain, the obesity related, the body habitus is in such a form that open surgery always is a failure. So laparoscopic surgery circumvents this through its easy access, as well as patient has less of scar and the pain is less, and we can do a better job with a better visualization in the laparoscopic technique. Next, we have seen great progress in the field of hernia surgeries, ventral hernias and inguinal hernias. Hernias are any protrusion of an abnormal protrusion of viscus or part of a viscus, that which would mean that intestines, the internal organs, through its normal confines. So it can be through the abdominal wall, it can be in the inguinal region in males and even likewise in females. So these are the areas in which we have seen more development, more and more development. So open surgery is most liable to causing more of a bad scar and is not without the chance of recurrence. In laparoscopic surgery, if we talk of umbilical hernias or incisional hernias, we see the use of laparoscopic surgery has given definite reduction in the chance of recurrence. So recurrence has been very lowest with the use of laparoscopic surgeries, because we have been able to cover the defect well with the laparoscopic technique, which is not possible in an open technique. And even if it is possible in open technique, it is very tedious, time consuming, and laparoscopic surgery gains in this sphere by giving a good overlap all along the defect and security to the patient. There is easier, speedy recovery of the patient, and patients come back to normal in a very fast, in a shorter time interval. Now, if we consider about the inguinal hernias, the hernias which we see in the groin, it was almost like open surgery was a treatment standard for inguinal hernias. But now with the advent of laparoscopic surgeries has become a gold standard of treatment for inguinal hernias. So inguinal hernias, the main impediment in open surgeries is the bony pelvis, the bone of the pelvis which comes in the way of the laying of a mesh. Any kind of hernia needs mesh for its reinforcement. So in laparoscopic hernias, if we talk of inguinal hernias, we are able to have a better overlap of the side of defect, which is not possible in the open technique. And similarly, likewise, when we talk of scars, the scars are lesser and the pain also is lesser, and recovery of the patient is faster. So patients are more willing to undergo laparoscopic surgeries in these days. It is not only become a style quotient or a surgery for the richest people. It is a surgery which has proved beyond its price and beyond its cost. So it is most effective way of dealing with the once thought very tedious surgical problems. Another place in which we see laparoscopic or the minimal access technique to have done its work is in the field of hemorrhoids. The hemorrhoids and prolapse, it's a disease which is very common in the general population, and almost 60 to 70% of the general population suffer because of hemorrhoids and prolapse of rectum. So we use a technique of minimally invasive procedure for prolapse and hemorrhoids, which we call it as MIPH or a stapler hemorrhoidopexy. So with this, what we achieve is the injury to the rectum or the anal canal is the least, and we use a special kind of instrument which is known as a stapler to get control of the main pedicle or the main blood supply of the pile masses. So this surgery in hemorrhoids has proven to be the most efficacious and the most patient friendly surgery. there are no surgery, there are no scar marks, or there are no injuries in the perianal region. So post-operative patient pain and dressings and all kinds of tedious requirements are tedious after surgery requirements are not there. The post-surgery care is not much when we get the hemorrhoids treated through a minimally invasive approach. So basically, when we speak of all these broader specialties, to add to it, we have the surgeries for appendicectomies. In all these, it has almost become like a gold standard, and I think it has, the reason for going for an open surgery has come down has reduced drastically, and we have been able to do wonderful and difficult surgeries through laparoscopic means. So today's the main agenda was to highlight on the use of the field of laparoscopic surgeries in the once so very consolidated open surgery era. So in today's era, we see the use of laparoscopic surgery in almost every field. Thank you.